To file your taxes easily with TurboTax, start by visiting the official TurboTax website, which can be found by searching for TurboTax directly. Once on the site, select the version of TurboTax that suits your needs. The free edition may be sufficient for simple tax returns. But if you have deductions, investments, or are self-employed, you may need to choose a paid version, such as Deluxe or Premier. Next, create a new account or sign into an existing one. If you've forgotten your password, you can recover it through the site. After signing in or creating an account, you will be prompted to download the software, which is available for both Mac and PC. Click the download button, and the file will start downloading to your computer. With these steps completed, you are now ready to start filing your taxes with TurboTax.